Hi everyone, this is Wayne. Hey, today I have for you the Smart Power battery box. Springtime's coming, fellas or ladies. It's about time to go fishing, and I have had this for about a year now, and used it a lot last summer. It was a great find for me. Got over here cigarette lighter adapter. Got over here USB port. And here are the fuses. You test your battery. Looks like I may need a charge. But we've been sitting all winter. Obviously, this is where your leads go for your battery or your other equipment on the boat. And the lines tie in like that. And I've got a smaller battery, so I've got it packed in here with some foam, but that's just my way. So pretty simple, but nowadays we all need a little extra on our boats. We've got phones to charge. We want to run different items off of it. It's easy to hook up things, fish finders, and your main power line to your boat, just easy to hook on. And I like it really well, and I recommend it because it's worked so well for me. So if you need one, this is the place. Thanks.